Welcome back. Here is the most popular website, payup.com. You just earn money by watching videos and get paid for viewing short videos. This is the easiest way to make money. Here's the benefits. Safe and without investments, additional income in USD. Long-term users of the platform earn more. With each new level, the income increases by 0.1%. And after reaching the maximum 1000 level, you will earn 2x. Take part in contests. We regularly hold contests with valuable prizes for our users. Users compete against each other to watch as many videos as possible within the set time frame. The idea of getting paid for watching videos, but it has become a reality with the rise of online platforms that offer this incentive. These platforms partner with advertisers and content creators to deliver video content to their users. You need to first create an account. It's very easy. Simply you just enter your email and password and fill up the CAPTCHA and you are registered for this platform. By watching these videos, users can earn rewards, usually in the form of cash, gift cards, or other types of virtual currency. One of the primary ways that users can earn money by watching videos is through online rewards or cashback platforms. Watching videos as part of their overall earning activities. These platforms partner with advertisers who pay them to display their videos to a targeted audience. In return, users are rewarded for engaging with the videos by watching them. To get started, this involves providing some basic personal information to the platform's terms and conditions. Once registered, users can access the video watching section of the platform, where they will find a variety of videos to choose from. These videos can range from advertisements, movie trailers, product reviews, entertainment clips, or educational content. You see that as a simple task, while watching videos for money can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. One of the primary ways that users can earn money by watching videos is through online rewards or cashback platforms. These platforms partner with advertisers who pay them to display their videos to a targeted audience. In return, users are rewarded for engaging with the videos by watching them. This is 10-second videos you just watch and earn money. This is paid content to show their videos you watch and earn. This is the task you completed. Here is the more task available. You just watch video 10 seconds and make money. How much time you complete this all task, which is 200 tasks are available. Sometime 1000 tasks is available. If you hard work, you make more money. The specific reward structure can vary depending on the platform. Some platforms offer a fixed reward for each video watched, while others may have a points-based system where users accumulate points that can later be redeemed for cash or gift cards. The length of the videos and the time required to watch them can also vary. In general, the longer the video, the higher the reward, but this may not always be the case. Payment methods. Different platforms offer different payment options. Some platforms may provide cash rewards that can be transferred to your PayPal account or directly deposited into your bank account. Others may offer gift cards or virtual currencies that can be redeemed for various goods and services. Understand the payment methods available and ensure they align with your preferences and needs. You just add your payment method in the setting which is available here. Once you add your payment method, you can withdraw your payment here. These platforms partner with advertisers and content creators to deliver video content to their users. By watching these videos, users can earn points or cashback that can be redeemed for various rewards or even converted into cash. It can be an avenue for individuals interested in producing their own content and potentially generating income through views and engagement. The opportunity to earn money by watching videos. These platforms partner with advertisers who are looking to reach a targeted audience. Users can watch videos, including advertisements. Here is the payment method, which one you select product promotions or sponsored content and earn rewards or cashback in return. Watching videos to earn money has become a popular method for individuals to make some extra income online. The idea of getting paid for watching videos may sound too good to be true, but it has become a reality with the rise of online platforms that offer this incentive.